Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will talk about lambda expressions. So what do you think? Can we create a function without giving it a name? If so, how can we make a call to this function and what is the use of that function which is having no name? So no worries, in this video I am going to talk about all this and will try to clear all your doubts. So the function which has no name is called anonymous functions, or you can also call it as a lambda expression. So suppose you want to calculate, I will quickly jump onto my Jupyter notebook. Let's say you want to calculate the square of a number. So without lambda expression, how can you do that? So first thing you will do is you will create a function, let's say calculate, which will take parameter, which could be some number. And here you will say return. You need to calculate the square, so it would be x multiplied by x, and in order to make a call we will simply say calculate and some number. So let's see how it works. So you can see that the output is printed as 25. Now how can we do the same thing using the lambda expression? Let's check that out. So first of all, you need to write the word lambda. It would be followed by your input parameter, then colon, and the expression which you are trying to evaluate. So this is the expression. Okay, now if I will run it, you can see that it is giving you output in such fashion. Now how can we make a call to this expression when there is no name? So in order to make it work, what we can do is we can give it some variable, let's say Kelsey, and now we have provided it a name. So if you will run it, it will not give you that message now. In order to make a call, how can you do that? You can just say Kelsey the way you are doing it for function and type in some number. So you will see that the expression is evaluated. For 7, it has calculated the square and it has provided you the result with 49. Now let's say you want to perform same thing on 3 different parameters. So it's x, y, and z, and you want to multiply all these 3, or let's say you want to perform something like this. And if you will do 2, 3, 4 and run this, you will get the output as this. It means whatever number of arguments or parameters you want to pass, you can just pass it separated by comma. Okay, now, and of course we can also create a lambda expression without having any input parameters. So let's try that out. So lambda, and what it will do is, let's say it will just give me my name. So I can make a call to this without passing any parameter, and you will see that the output is returned. So this is how easy it is to create lambda expressions, which is again a replaceable thing for the functions. And the most important difference between the function and lambda is you cannot create lambda expression for multi-line functions. So let's say if you are having multiple statements, so instead of only this one, you are having something more like you want to perform some calculation or you want to assign some values. So you cannot do that. Lambda suppose single statement, I would say, or single line. So that's all I have for today, and hope you enjoyed this session. Thank you.